Is the Edmonton market splitting into two? It is early 2026, and if you're wondering why your neighbor's house sold within a week last year, but this year your house is not selling, you're gonna wanna check out this video. Well, I talked to you today about what is happening in the Edmonton and surrounding area market. My name is Karen Stanko, and I've been selling in the Edmonton and surrounding area for over 18 years. And I've got some surprising statistics that you're gonna wanna check out about the Edmonton market in this video. So, even though the inventory is up by 32%, things are still selling, but it depends on where you are price-wise. Now, if you're still in the 450,000 or under, the market is super hot. We're in April 2026 here. I put 2 houses on the market last week, and this last weekend I had 2 multiple offers in those homes. However, both prices were under 450,000. Now, the split in the market that is happening is the 600,000 and above. Depending on where they are in the area of Edmonton, they are sitting on the market for a longer period of time, and that's causing the market split. Where we are seeing a cooling again is in the condominium market. There still is sales happening in there, but it is cooling a little bit based on the high inventory. So if you are looking for a condominium to purchase, the time still is now. And there still is some really good deals in certain areas if you are thinking of getting into the housing market through a condominium. Another area where I see the market splitting is in new homes. Now, I've done a few videos on the amount of suburban sprawl in the Edmonton and surrounding area, and that is now biting developers in the butt because there is so many new homes going up in the Edmonton and surrounding area that the inventory is huge, and the prices are now starting to fall with different type of developer incentives. If you decide to go into those show homes on your own, good luck to you. I don't ever advise it, and the reason why I don't advise it is it's basically like you're going into a show home with a person who is representing only the builder in there. They're not representing your best interests. They are trying to sell at the maximum price for the builder because that is who they're working for. It's like going in to negotiate with the sale of buyer's home. Not really advisable. They all have commissions worked into their price, even if they say they don't, and it's really smart to bring in a realtor so that you can negotiate the very best price. They'll always say that they won't negotiate, but they do. That might be surprising to you. Now, what do I see coming up here in the near future? I see the inventory starting to pick up here, even in that 450 or 500,000 or less, especially with the resale detached homes. And I see a high demand, especially in areas where there has been less inventory over the last 5 years. So is Edmonton having a split? Yes. And the market is changing? Yes. It is going into more of a balanced market, and I don't see anything wrong with that. Now, interest rates due to the war and the rising fuel prices that is happening in the Middle East is obviously a concern. Is it slowing down some of the buyers? I don't really see that happening that much because a lot of people have been looking for a long time for a home. And when I have open houses, I do have people coming in that have been looking for 2 or 3 years and not finding their perfect home because there was such low inventory. That, I feel, is going to change this spring. And if you are looking to purchase your first home or any home at all, I have a guide on what you need to know before buying your first home. You can click on the link below. My name is Karen Stanko, and I'm with RE/MAX Real Estate. And if you are thinking of selling or buying, I'd love to be your realtor of choice. And please subscribe to my channel and check out other videos that might be helpful in the buying or selling process. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you on the next one.